Hello all, welcome to techbytes. In this video, I will discuss about how to install Postgres database in Mac operating system. For that, open the Chrome browser, and search for macOS binary, download PostgreSQL, and go to download section here. And if you can see Mac operating system, and here download the installer, then it will go for EDB. See here we can see in this download page we can see operating system wise and the versions available binaries. Okay, these are the operating systems: Linux 64-bit and 32-bit, and Mac OS and Windows 64 and Windows 32, and the recent version is 16.1. These are all the available versions for Postgres database. I'm going with the latest version of Postgres database and click on download button here. It will go for the downloads page here, and it will be automatically downloads. If you can see the download is going on. Wait for a couple of minutes, it will complete. See, the download is completed. I'm going to downloads and click on this .dmg file. See here, this is the installer. Double click on that and it will initiate the installation process. In Mac operating system, it prompts for system password. The installation process is started. Click on next button, and this is the location of the installation of the Postgres database in the libraries PostgreSQL and 16. This is indicating the version of the Postgres, and here these are the modules will be installed as a part of this installation process. Postgres server, this is the main database server, and the pgadmin 4 means it's a graphical interface or graphical client interface for accessing the database. And stack builder means there are a couple of tools and applications are available as a part of this. At this moment I'm not going to this one. Command line tool mostly used by the database administrators, not the application developers, but for our convenience I am installing the command line tools as well. See, this is the data directory. Every database has a data directory as well, Postgres as well. In the 16th version there is a data directory. In this directory all the database related data will be available. Okay, if you want to change the directory, you can change it. It will ask for the password means, see, this is the super user. Postgres is the super user. For this super user I am giving my user defined password. While installation process you can give any password, that is user defined. And click on next, and this is the port number. The Postgres server is running 5430. This is the standard port number. If you want to change, you can change it, but I am going with the default port number. And local, I am going with the default local. So this is the installation summary, where the installation directory and the server directory and the data directory and the server port number, and the super user username, and what is the version of the database we are installing, and these are all the information related to the installation summary. Okay, and click on next button and click next. See, the installation process is started. It will take couple of minutes to complete. Almost the database installation is completed. See, there is a notification we can see at the right top corner of the screen. Here there is a database server is running on. See, now the database is installed successfully, and click on finish button and close the installer. Okay, now go to applications Here we can see the pgadmin. Already I mentioned in the installation, like this is the graphical interface to access the database. Click on this. See, the verification process is going on. In Mac operating system, any application you want to open, immediate installation, it will ask for some confirmation and some validations. Some of the applications are asking some admin privileges as well. So the pgadmin server is started, and the interface is ready to open now. The pgadmin is started. See, here we can see the servers. Okay, expand this. This is the PostgreSQL 16. This is what the installed server in my machine. And coming to the server, these are the databases. Okay, in the database section I can see Postgres is the default database provided by the Postgres server. If you want, you can create any number of databases here. In upcoming sessions, I will discuss about how to create a database and how to create a table through pgadmin, as well as through the nodejs code as well. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye.